Hey my naughty babes, I know I look super duper weird, but we're going to get into something very artistic. The NYX Professional Makeup White Liquid Eyeliner, and it's called Blanc, B-L-A-N-C, but yeah, okay, so God, camera focus. Every single time I want to show y'all something, it just does not want to there we go. There we go. We're just taking that in this shade. Never fails, I always do better on the left side. This one is called Neutrals, and then I'm just gonna go in with the browns. A little bit harder part because I am not good at this. Okay, yeah, I know. It looks just like a big old mess on my face. We are gonna paint the Christmas tree, so it's not as weird.
Mr. Grinch, you really are a hero.
Oh my lord. It's not that it takes long because I'm okay with that. It's that my hand is so darn shaky. It's like I'm sitting here like this and I'm like, please stop, please stop, please stop. And for just a moment, I'm able to get it to stop shaking. And it's like, okay, hurry up, do what you have to.
You're a monster, Mr. Grinch, Your heart's an empty hole. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch, Your brain is full of spiders, you've got garlic in your soul, Mr. Grinch.
Okay, we are finally finished after like 3.5 hours later. I need to learn how to get better. Okay, and my eyes are actually a little bit bothering me after I had put on this stuff from Walmart. It was Mystical Dream Intensifying Color Mascara, and it was one of the Halloween things that I gotten, but my eyes have been bothering me ever since I put that on. But I actually enjoy this look, even though my eye is killing me right this second, because I can barely see anything because of it wants to act up. But I super like this look. I don't like that I messed up on her hair, and I did try to fix it. It's just, which now I'm messing up more. But after like using the heck out of these palettes and going back and forth and mixing colors together and all that to achieve the look, yeah, I think the thing that turned out the best may have been the Christmas tree and then the cocoa. The lights are kind of cute. I did try to blur them out a little bit to make them look like they were like shiny and everything, but did not come out as expected for the lights and everything, but pretty much everything else, I mean, lollipops are kind of off, but the sprinkles kind of look like sprinkles. But anyways, this is me practicing and stepping out of my comfort zone and doing something very bizarre. So it is like 8:46 and I'm debating whether or not I should pick up my fiance like this. Yeah, because sometimes his guy friends and comes up to the truck to talk and I'm like, do I show them this or do I wash this off my face before I show them? I'm excited because I actually stepped out of my comfort zone and did something that usually I don't. I mean, I know I did the Halloween one, but it was not as crazy as this. This is like I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please let me know like what else y'all want to see or for me to do. One of my friends asked for a neutral look and I will like a neutral like smoky eye look and I'll have that very soon. And then also another one of my friends had asked for a watermelon eyeshadow type of look, so I'll also have that coming within one of these weeks. Y'all have a wonderful week again and a very awesome Thanksgiving. Remember to be thankful for what you have and to be thankful for the people you have in your life. You would not be alive and breathing and everything without them somehow in some way. So remember that each and every person in your life is important in some way and somehow. So y'all remember to stay naughty. I'll see y'all next time. Bye y'all.